So our involvement at this year's Broadband World Forum is that we've had an extensive program, starting off with our CTO Ulf Evaldsson giving a keynote at the conference. We've obviously had a stand here with lots of demonstrations, lots of business discussions with our customers, and we have had separate one-to-one meetings and also bigger seminars. Combined with that, we've been talking to media and analysts. Ericsson is here to discuss around growth and the operator opportunities around growth. We are going towards a network society. We see lots of opportunities to develop connectivity business, to go towards 50 billion connected devices. And we see that there are lots of opportunities for operators to develop the enabler possibilities and the services possibilities on top of that connectivity. So lots of discussions around that. But of course it becomes back to a very good network with real performance for different type of situations. So that is something we have been addressing with our customers. It was also in focus for Ulf Evalddsson's keynote. So growth and superior network performance. I think if you look at the hot topics this year and in the industry, it's really about cloud, virtualization, software-defined networking, and the transition to next generation IP networks. That is really hot in the industry right now, and I think that's really been the aspirations for this year's forum as well. I think we're going to see much more of where we are now. I think we're going to see much more around monetization of the broadband network, new tiered plans, new collaborations. We've had some period where the actual ecosystem collaborations are starting to happen, but I think we're going to get a little bit closer to that for the next year. I also think that the continued discussion going towards implementation of software-defined networking, finding the use cases, establishing the architectural vision, and also setting the standards for how that vision will be around network function virtualizations and software-defined networking. Yeah, if you look at the market perspective and emerging markets, I would say that we have a strong momentum in all markets currently. We have the what we call front runners in mobile broadband, those markets that has been early out with really attractive mobile broadband, driving a tremendous growth. That's going to continue and take the next step in many of these markets into convergence, into more explored business models, faster networks, and then we see the second wave of broadband build-out, especially now mobile broadband happening in less developing markets, and that is really going to create a lot of difference on those developing markets for next year.